Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to turn your mackerel fish from this to this using the oven. So let's just go ahead and get started. Oh, I hope this video will help you. Just look at that fish. You'll be needing your mackerel fish. Yeah, I'm using 3 of those mackerel fishes. Go ahead and cut the fish from the belly and removing all the guts and fish intestine inside, okay? Just like so. Yeah, I'm just going to remove all of those fish intestine. Just remove those intestine because you will not like the taste. When you leave it there, it will be bitter, okay? To spoil the taste of your fish. Yeah, so just remove all of them and discard them, okay? Just like so. And then I'll be washing them and then also removing the things from the head as well. Yeah. Remove all of those and make sure you clean the fish properly. Yeah, this will enable your fish taste so good. Okay, so going ahead and doing that and also cleaning the remaining fishes. So make sure you clean all of those intestines and wash them properly. Just look at that, so clean. Okay, and then I'll be going ahead and washing the remaining fishes. I'll be going ahead and removing their intestines and the fish guts. Okay, just do that, the same process as the first one. Okay. If you have watched up till this point, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification. This will enable you be among the first people that will get notification of when I upload a video. Like, comment and share. Okay, when you like my video, it means a lot to me. It makes me know that you like my content. When you're done cleaning the fish, you go ahead and rub in some salt all over the body, both inside as much as you want as per your taste. Okay, this will enhance the taste of the fish. Yeah, just go ahead and rub some salt all over the fish. Okay, all right, so we'll be going ahead and then folding in the fish. Yeah, just like so, opening the mouth, making sure that the tail of the fish is in between the 2 jaws of the fish. Yeah, just like so, the way I am doing it right now. Use a toothpick and then close, yeah, from the upper jaw, from the lower jaw to the upper jaw. Just fold it like so, the way I did. Yeah, I hope you do pick something from there. You learned how to do it. Okay, so I'll be going ahead and showing you the second one, another one on how to do it again. Just in between the 2 jaws, I'll be inserting the toothpick to hold them together. Yeah, just like so. Okay, so when that is done, I will be transferring them to my baking tray. Yeah, the way it is now. Then I'll be using a foil paper to cover the fish for the first 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes of baking it with foil, I'm going to go ahead and remove the foil and transfer them to my baking rack. Okay, this will make it more crispier. It will make the fish to brown. Yeah, then after that, after another 15 minutes, you bring it down. Your fish is ready. Okay, it took about 30 minutes for all of this fish to be ready. Yeah, just look at that. You can use this fish to make your okra soup. Yeah, watch out for that video. And I'll also be using it to make a stew. Yeah, smoked fish stew. Just watch out for that video. Use it to eat your abacha. Yes, so abacha, or to drink gari. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.